Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to minimize YouTube on your iPhone. Now, if you haven't already, we first need to get into your settings on your iPhone. We need to enable this both in the settings app of your iPhone as well as the YouTube app. So within the settings, you can see midway down here is general. Just tap on that. And now if you scroll down, here is picture-in-picture, which allows you to automatically start that picture-in-picture. When you hop out of YouTube, it'll show the little player. So we need to turn this on, but again, this only turns it on your iPhone in the settings. We also need to hop into the YouTube app and turn it on in here. So within the YouTube app, we need to get to your settings. You'll be able to see at the very bottom right is the U button. Let's just tap on that. And then at the very top right is that gear icon to get into your settings. Just tap on that gear icon. Keep in mind this is specific for just your account, so you might need to change it depending on if you have multiple different accounts. Now within here, they've hidden it towards the bottom. Let's just scroll down here and you can see towards the bottom there is playback, and just tap on that playback with the little play icon. And there at the bottom is picture-in-picture. If it says, if you exit YouTube, videos continue to start in the mini player, start PIP automatically. So let's just toggle that on. I'll show you how it works really quick. Let's just open up one of my videos. And if I start playing it, I can hop out of here and then I can move it around. I can pinch it smaller or bigger. Or if I wanted to get out of this, I can tap on that little player icon and get back into YouTube.